Today I'm gonna show you how to set up CodeBlocks environment. So let's get started. First of all, you open the CodeBlocks. Okay. After open the CodeBlocks, then click setting option. Bring your cursor, open the compiler. Then click on compiler. And then click on toolchain executables. Then click on auto detect. Okay, that's it. Those who don't have this rule, they can follow another rule. I show that now. Go to your computer, click on local disk. Here are two of the program files. You go to the second one, then click on CodeBlocks, then go to bin GW, click on bin, focus on my cursor, then select the path and copy. Go to your CodeBlocks, then go setting option, hover the cursor on compiler, then click on tools and executable and paste here. Okay, that's it. Then everything will be fine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe and comment. I will see you again. Thank you.